So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can model a Ashtray in Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. And here you can see guys, this is my project file and we are going to make exactly this kind of Ashtray in Blender. So now let's start it. So first of all, I just want to open a new project file. So alright guys, here you can see we have a new project file. So first of all, I just want to rid of this cube pressing the X and I will delete it, and I will also enable my shortcut VR so you guys can easily see which key I'm pressing on the right hand side. So now let's start it. So first of all, I will just add a cylinder. So I will just press this shift A and I'm just gonna add cylinder. Then I'm just gonna scale this cylinder something like that. And after doing the scale, make sure you apply the scale every time. So if you not apply the scale every time, so maybe you will not get a desirable result. So make sure whenever you do scale, you apply the scale first of all. Okay, so after applying the scale, I just want to go to edit mode of this cylinder, and I will just select these bottom edges of these cylinder. Then I'm just gonna press the control B and I'm just gonna do little bevel, and now I'm just gonna scroll my wheel something like that. And here you can see when I scroll my wheel, these segment gonna increase. So I think that much segment is look nice to me. And after that, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna select my top face and I will just do a little bit up something like that, and then I'm just gonna delete this top face something like that. So right now here you can see we have that kind of shape here. So after that, I will just add one modifier. It's called basically solidify modifier, and it's create a little thickness into our object. So I think that much thickness is look nice to me. And after that, I'm just gonna edit mode of my object pressing the tab, and I will just enable this editable icon from here. And now I'm just gonna add one as loop here. Basically I think here is look nice. And after that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to my front view and I'm just going to select some faces. So first of all, I will just enable my X-ray view and I'm just going to select those faces, and from the left hand side I will select also those faces as well. And after that, I'm just gonna delete those faces pressing the delete something like that. So now here you can see we have that kind of shape here, and which is look nice to me. And we can change this mode simple as a complex. So and we can also change this boundary as a round boundary, I think. Yeah, so that shape is look nice. And after doing those settings, make sure you apply this modifier. So now you have a physical mesh here, and which is look nice. So now what you have to do, you have to just select the all edges from the here basically. So after that, you have to select the all edges something like that, and then you have to do control B and you have to just do bevel something like that. Okay, after completing this bevel, make sure you can just apply the subdivision surface modifier from the modifier section. And here you can see when you apply the subdivision surface modifier, it will look something like that. Now what you have to do, you have to do right click and you have to do shade smooth, and then you have to just go to edit mode of your ashtray, and you have to just select the those vertices, basically those bottom vertices. Yeah, and from the left hand side as well, and those vertices, and you have to just do little down something like that. Okay, and from the pivot point selection, you have to just choose as an individual, and you have to just do little scale something like that. So after doing this scale, make sure you just exit the edit mode. Then you have to just enable the level of view for 2, and here you can see we have a beautiful ashtray here, and which is look nice to me. And here you can see guys, that looks something like that. And now we have a beautiful ashtray which is look nice to me. Okay, so that's how you can model a ashtray in a blender. It's a very easy and cool trick, so I thought I should share with you. And after that, you have to just add the material into your ashtray, and you will see something like that. And thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have a session, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.